Okay, so I'm in Mumbai. I have not said anything, but look at the birthday girl!
It's tomorrow, but thank you.
It's the birthday month. So that's why you're a birthday girl. And we're gonna go to Fort now. We're gonna go to Kitab Khana. We are going to all the places we used to go when we were in college for 2 years. But like technically we were in college for 3 years.
I mean, but we actually attended 1 year.
Oh yeah, COVID. We are COVID college babies.
Yes.
But we're gonna shop, and then for dinner we are going to Wagamama. But look at this beauty.
So
You know, you're
catches
giving divine feminine. Doja Cat.
It's all her makeup, so I love it.
But it's you. Makeup, it just beauty, not I don't enhances. Yes, your beauty.
Thanks, girly pop. This is a very famous shooting spot. Lots of ads are shot in this area. The Starbucks is very good. It's the reserve one.
Reserve Bank of India का.
अरे यार कभी.
Why do you need the Scottish Island Road when you're going to Scotland?
Because it's in me heart and me soul.
Dire Bound. It's a really good fantasy wolf series. Should I get it? No, it is expensive. I'm not paying 900 rupees for this. The lighting is extremely bad. Yeah. Come. So we used to, when we were in uni, first year,
Undergrad, yeah.
we used to sit here, young adult section. I don't know why.
Because मैं जॉन ग्रीन देख के आती थी. मेरा बचपन टीन वाला सेल्फ बहुत एक्साइट हो जाता था.
That is such a wrong word.
Shut up, just like there's a lot of diarrhea when Pickett works here.
I used to come because of Shatter Me series.
Yeah.
And there's a cafe also, and we used to
Sapko.
have Sapko, and they have the best cheesecakes ever. Pande fir bol. So she's a very big Hanuman kind
Don't
fan.
tell everybody. Okay, tell everybody.
She's a very big Hanuman kind fan. So, and there's this book called Gold Rush. It's about like basically being in sort of like a relationship. No, I wouldn't say a relationship, one night stand kind of a thing with your celebrity.
I did not know that. I'm just saying.
Yeah, she didn't know that. And then she's like, you know, this is what I want with Hanuman. And I'm like, girl, read
this
it.
Is basically my story.
Yeah, she said. And then
She is misinterpreting what I've said. I just want to clarify that.
I can just edit it out.
I'm just like my father sees it.
Your dad doesn't. Okay.
He follows me.
He does follow me. Oh, I feel so. And that's nice. I'm looking for a man in finance. Trust fund.
That's literally what the book is called.
Exactly.
The lines are just like.
अरे वो हवा चल रही थी तो. So we used, Zara was here, but now there's something else.
And I said हमारी संस्कृति हमारे से छीनी गई. जब मैंने एक भी बार जिंदगी में ज़ारा से शॉपिंग नहीं की है. बड़ा अच्छा लगता था देख के.
No, we used to have fun here though.
Yeah.
We used to bunk classes and come to Fort, go to Kitab Khana.
To read books.
We are like nerd 101, that is. Because then uni was just so stupid. Extremely stupid. It's stupid. For being patient with me while I do this.
I love it.
So I got a Thai ice cold coffee. It has cardamom and cinnamon and then cold coffee shit. And then she got filter coffee. I think I was born with the wrong gender because if I was gonna meet you, I should have been a boy. But then I think Mard jump. I don't want to say this. I feel so bad.
Just don't.
Let's do it. Okay.
I need to like prep.
Yeah, just to pour it.
It's hot. Of course it is hot.
It smells so good. पूरा ही डाल दिया तुमने?
अब हम half an hour करेंगे. Yeah, that's moving.
Anyways, do a take.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Dude, I can't drink it right now. It's too hot. Not tasting it right now. This is like the tea
Hyundai
version of coffee.
Coffee.
Yeah.
And I like it because I've never tried this. I've never put elaichi in my
Okay, should I
coffee.
go and say Onam Ashram Sagar?
She's been doing this. She's just been looking at people celebrating Onam. She's like, oh no! And she's screaming.
I'm very inclusive and diverse as a person.
So you can do that while I'm not with you. Why are you getting me cancelled?
Not getting you cancelled. This is inclusion
No
and
one's
diversity.
fucking maringi diya. She's just going to like, oh no!
No, I am not screaming Onam. I'm screaming Onam Ashram Sagar. It's like happy Onam. Difference.
How's your coffee?
No sugar.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's
So we got yaki
Soba
soba noodles. We got my favorite gochujang tofu rice bowl and bang bang koita. Why am I saying like this? And Diet Coke.
And I'm so hungry. I
But
can't
that,
wait to do
you know, Edison Ray should have made a Diet Coke instead of Diet
Not
Pepsi.
Diet,
It's bad, but
You want me to record?
no, that's fine. Bang bang cauliflower. Oh my god. I think I should be a food
What is
blogger.
the difference between gochujang and gochujang?
We just came back from Dakshina and we also went to, I don't know why I did that. We also went to ISKCON temple after that. Anyways, I didn't get a lot of shit from Kolaba. Yesterday I got a burgundy maroon shirt that I wanted. I don't know, I'm just into dark colors right now. And I got a black shirt for my mom, but the earrings and the jewelry, oh my god. Okay, so the first thing that I got, okay, why is this stuck? Anyway, look at this. Let me like open it up and show it to you guys, because then I think this is it's so dreamy. Okay, now look at this. Okay, I don't know if you can still see that. Yeah, this is the chain that I got. Then this earrings. These like flower gold earrings. And then I got this. This is so pretty. I should have gotten more, but then this was already like enough for me for now, so I will keep things for next time as well when I'm coming. But I might wear this tonight for dinner. I'm wearing like a corset top with jeans, and the corset top is like very Bridgerton's Secret Gardens in my mind coded. So I think this will go really well with. So I'll wear this, and then I'll wear the, where did I keep that? The green, this green one. I'll wear this. It's earrings. But anyways, we're just gonna chill now at home because we slept really late last night. We'll just end up taking a nap. And I'm gonna read. I'm reading The Heartbreak Fling or something like that. The Friendship Fling, I think. 1 second, I'm reading it on my iPad. What is it called? Yeah, The Friendship Fling. It's The Friendship Fling. It's a grumpy sunshine, friends to lovers romance book set in London, which I'm really excited about. And it's going good so far. I've only read like 30 pages, but it's fun. I'm in like major romance mood. I wanted to get few books from here, but then Kitab Khana was extremely expensive. I will not pay 900 rupees. We are not living in the UK right now. And then when we went to like a not a second hand, but like a street shop for books or whatever, there were none of the books that I want to read right now. They had that. So I'm not gonna get anything. Anyways, I have spent a lot of money here. Anyways, so I'm meeting my cousins tomorrow for breakfast, going back to Dakshinayan again. And then I'm meeting Shushti for brunch, and then I have a train back to Pune around 4:30. So yeah, I'm hoping Monday is a holiday because it's a bank holiday. For Eid, I'm hoping that we also get a holiday because I really don't want to go to uni. Fingers crossed. Something.
Yuzu flower.
Yuzu.
No, that's not yuzu.
Mine is elderflower.
Mine is yuzu something. It's yuzu and pineapple is what I have. But then yuzu sour, yuzu sour. I'm clearly like glitching. So.
And this is my tray. Okay.
I'm not going to tell. Okay, you can.
It's fine. Like
Wait, you let me give pretext to it.
So we are clicking pictures here, and it's extremely beautiful. And then I'm just like, okay, you go. Like she's already clicked my pictures. I'm like, I'm gonna click yours, and then I hear a smell burning.
No. I said, ध्यान रखना नहीं तो अगलावा मजबूरी में हो जाएगा because that's candle jar. I just wanted to see आग लग जाएगी. अब मुझे लगा था आग यहाँ लगेगी, यहाँ नहीं लगी. I burned my hair. And the funny thing is, I'm not freaking out. It's not too bad, honestly.
It's not bad. It's fine. It just
smells
beautiful. It's so bad. It smells so bad.
Her hair, like I was leaning and it smells like tandoori.
You know what? But I'm very glad I have really strong reflexes because मैंने एकदम से बंद कर दिया उसको.
मुझे realize मैं इतनी अंधी हूँ. I didn't even realize what's happening. Obviously, I would see it was the back of her hair. But and I'm so glad you're wearing backless. Like sort of like there's no cloth here.
I can't believe we did that, but.
Her hair smells like if you've ever like put mushroom on tandoori.
No, it smells weird. Mushroom and tandoori smells actually really good.
Oh, sorry.
I need to put like something in my hair, like perfume or something. Do you have perfume in your bag?
No, not in my bag.
Oh, it's okay.
घर जाके
But then-
joker.
Anyways. I'm gonna meet Shrishti now. I just had breakfast with my cousins. They just left. We went to Dakshinayana again, but this is what I'm wearing and I'm really liking it. I don't think cameras will be allowed, so I'm gonna still like record on my phone like last night. But yeah, it's so pretty. I think this is one of the like prettiest bathrooms I've ever been in and I like it. Look at how pretty she is looking. I'm loving the dress, I'm loving everything, I'm loving the jewelry, I'm loving you, and I've missed you so much. So, Shrishti got hot chocolate, which is really surprising. And I got an iced Americano. This is my 4th coffee since morning, but we shall do what we shall do. So we got baked gnocchi.
Tia said it's really nice and I trust her recommendations with ice
It looks
cream.
nice, it smells nice
Yeah.
also. Pretty.